Welcome to Mobile Video Mastery Module 1, which is Shoot. So just a little introduction and what this video is all about. We are going to be going from dumb, boring, unengaging video to eye-catching and irresistible. So who this course is for? This course is specifically for people who want to learn how to make a real estate video in specific. There's going to be tons and tons of takeaways for regular video. So if you want to stick around, you can, but I will be referring specifically to real estate shoots in specific. So if that's if that's not interesting to you, you don't have to tune in here. So it's not only 100% possible, as I have down here. It's not only 100% possible, but so easy. It's super easy nowadays with mobile video editors and the settings that you have on your mobile phone. It's kind of ridiculous. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about, but the barrier of entry has truly never been lower. I'll be your instructor. My name is Max Crone. I am a realtor and the owner of MK Media, which is a real estate media production company. And so my goals are specifically to refine and compact my lessons after 5 to 6 years of trying and learning and implementing different marketing strategies. I'm just trying to refine, compact, and make my lessons as digestible as humanly possible, and relay those to you. So this is super important. Share the course. I have such a grand vision with this course. I need you to share it, because the amount of reach that I want to have on my own, I can't get around to. So I need you to share this course. I need you to share this revolution. I'm trying to make a revolution of amazing real estate marketing and service. Warning, don't skip. This is the most important video in the entire course. So don't skip, don't fast forward, don't do any of that stuff. I have a tip for you. So pro tip, put it in 2x speed. Sometimes I don't talk too fast. So I'm going to make you a promise really quick. I promised this in the last lesson, but I promise you will be a mobile video master, a mobile video expert. You will be a complete professional after this. That is my promise to you. So not only does it benefit your real estate business, but it also benefits your brand. And it's, once you get into it, it's pretty fun too, in my opinion. As a longtime videographer myself, this course is laid out strategically, very specifically. I've, just on the outline alone, I've spent a week and a half, 2 weeks, and with that being my sole priority. So rest assured, this course is laid out exactly how it should be. That's why every video in the course is the most important. At that stage of your education, this video is going to impact you more than any other video that's in the course, because you have to watch these chronologically. So here is the layout. So the first module is Shoot, the module that we are currently in. So what are the lessons in this module? So the following lessons are included. Introduction, that's what we're in. And then the next lesson is gear. So that's going to be all about the equipment that you need, definitions about your equipment, and understanding all the settings. So all of that's going to be explained in the gear lesson. And then we have preparation. So preparation, what you need to do before you leave the house and before you get to that property or before you get to the shoot. And then framing up your shot. So this is crucial, absolutely crucial. Once you have all of that figured out, once you pull out your camera, now you have your phone. Should I shoot like this? Should I shoot like that? What should I do? In that respect, double check your settings and dial those in. Set up composition guidelines, the rule of thirds. Definitely tune into that. And then shooting techniques. Shooting techniques is where you're going to set yourself apart. So push-in shots, crane shots, drift shots, spin shots. There's so many different shots that you can choose from, and we'll go through beginner shots, we'll go through advanced shots, we'll go through my mantra, shoot to edit. That is a very, very, very important thing. I probably already said that multiple times already. Shoot to edit is extremely important. And then finally, B-roll. So that is going to comprise the shoot portion of our course. And then edit. So editing, that's literally where the magic happens. That is where you need to make sure that you have everything dialed. We're going to learn import settings, export settings. Here, I'll just show you the exact overview. So overview, choosing the right software, that is complete personal preference, but I'll go through, my personal preference and what you can, look out for. Some basic stuff to know about your editor. Color and audio, advanced techniques. So advanced techniques might be, advanced transitions or advanced color or advanced audio, so on and so forth. And then get feedback. So once you have created such a beautiful video, you might think it's amazing, but you might show it to your mom, you might show it to your friend, you might not think so. So that is something to be aware of. But another thing to be aware of, your creative judgment is better than anyone else's because you are the one creating it. You are the one trying to determine that feeling. So whatever anyone else says, take it with a grain of salt. But anyway, we'll go through all of that later. And then export and conclusion. Exporting, just ridiculously important, especially with social media platforms, and compression. So we'll go through all of the best export settings, everything you need to know about editing on your phone, we'll go through. Distribute. So now that you have, and we did go over this in the last video, but now that you have your amazing looking video, now we have to distribute. So this is going to be a list of the lessons in the distribute module. So best practices, posting via a content calendar, tips and tricks with the content calendar, how to arrange different things to make things look better, make your posts go out more or less frequently, etc. And then bulk posting with software and a spreadsheet, so a CSV file. All of those things will be discovered, explored in the distribute module. And then a conclusion. And then we have live shoots. Live shoots are pretty self-explanatory. This is what the lessons are going to look like. So demo of X property and then X property showcase. So those are going to be two different videos that you watch the demo, the live demonstration, me walking through the entire property, shooting the entire property, and all of my anecdotes and experience. So you will see all of that in the demonstration, and then you will see the showcase and the actual final product in that product showcase. So this is roughly what it's going to look like. And yeah, so that is live shoots. And then resource hub. So this will be, as I said earlier, a spreadsheet of amazing resources that you can use, that you probably almost for sure will be using. And this could come in the form of an app, a software, a website. Honestly, there are some other modalities like physical, like a gimbal, so on and so forth. That is the layout. And now we have exams and the certificate of completion. So here is exactly what that's going to look like. This is something that you can showcase on your LinkedIn. You can showcase it on maybe your Instagram story or your Facebook story or your Facebook post, like a Facebook post. What you do with this is completely at your discretion. Once you complete the course, the respective course, you will earn one of these. All right. buckle up. That's pretty much all there is to it. So just a little recap. I promise you, I will convert you into a mobile video expert. I promise you that. I'll try not to bore you. Sometimes I can get a little boring. Sometimes I talk a little bit slower, but I promise you, I'm going to try not to bore you. All I can do is try. So, and next, share the course with someone. Share the course with someone because you could really be helping them out. You could be the reason why they are a mobile video expert also. And don't have a scarcity mindset. Don't have a closed off mindset of, I don't want this person to be a mobile video expert because that'll make me less important. That'll make me less unique. But have an abundance mindset because the people that you help, maybe they will use their videography skills to showcase you. And maybe you can do the same for them. And it's not a zero-sum game. It's not you get better and hopefully they stay bad. It's we lift each other up together. What is it? A raising tide, or raising tide lifts all boats. I think it is something like that. But yeah, that is absolutely true in mobile video creation and just sharing resources with others. So, with that being said, do this final piece for me before you go to the next lesson. Join my free group if you haven't already. It's free. It takes you 20 seconds, and there's so many valuable insights that you can find about the real estate market, that you can find about real estate marketing, you can find about social media marketing. There's so many different things. So check that out. And with that being said, this is Mobile Video Mastery. Let's get after it.